Welcome to my channel MS Old Coins. There are moments in history when something small captures the imagination of collectors and dreamers alike. Object, minted in metal, begins to whisper stories of legacy, rarity, and the pursuit of hidden fortune. Today, we uncover one such treasure that has taken the spotlight among enthusiasts around the world. Let's get started. The focus of our journey is a single, striking piece. The 1995 Australian $2 coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II. Though it appears modest in size, this coin holds a depth of historical importance and potential value that has collectors continuously searching for it. This coin was officially issued by the Royal Australian Mint in 1995, a year that marked significant transitions and tributes within Australia's modern currency history. It was created not just as everyday tender, but as a continuation of Australia's national identity on coinage. Serving as a representation of Queen Elizabeth II's reign, the obverse displays a refined portrait of Her Majesty. Unlike other coins, its design and limited production year give it a quiet but unmistakable prestige. The reverse side carries the powerful image of an Aboriginal elder, symbolizing Australia's deep Indigenous heritage. This pairing, monarchy and native culture, makes the coin a bridge between ancient legacy and modern governance. The year 1995 was not accompanied by any special commemorative release, which makes surviving coins from this mintage even more intriguing. Only one coin stands at the heart of this story, the singular 1995 $2 coin, and it is this one coin that collectors seek. So why is it considered valuable? Over time, certain mintage batches showed scarce strikes, off-center details, and natural aging that enhance rarity. These subtle variations transformed a circulating coin into a collectible masterpiece. Enthusiasts claim that specific examples have been auctioned at impressive prices, far above face value. When a coin like this exhibits exceptional condition, uncirculated shine, or rare mint errors, it can command serious attention. Collectors are not just buying currency, they are buying history stamped in time. The 1995 $2 coin holds a legacy of a nation, a royal era, and an artistic portrayal of heritage, all in one. Some dealers and passionate buyers are willing to stretch bids for pristine examples. Reports suggest that standout specimens have fetched hundreds and even reached into the $1,000 range, depending on rarity, grading, and presentation. Imagine discovering one in remarkable condition, sealed, untouched, or showing a rare mint flaw. The value can rise dramatically, becoming the centerpiece of any collection. While some may overlook it as pocket change, informed collectors see opportunity. The thrill lies not just in ownership, but in recognizing what others cannot see, hidden potential. This coin symbolizes more than money. It represents dedication. Those who preserve, protect, and present such a coin understand its future worth could far surpass today's expectations. And yes, it is truly valuable when the right coin meets the right collector. With certification and graded quality, offers can soar to unexpected heights. The key is condition, rarity, and provenance. Should you find one, do not rush to trade it away. Store it carefully, avoid cleaning it, and consider protecting it in a coin case. Every preserved detail could raise its worth. Many searches begin in simple coin jars and end in auction rooms filled with anticipation. That is the magic of this 1995 Australian $2 coin. One coin, infinite possibility. Only one coin is in discussion here. The single-year issue with Queen Elizabeth II. Yet it captures more attention than several commemorative releases combined. If your coin carries a strong strike, rich luster, or unique die error, you could be holding a fortune waiting to be discovered. It only takes one collector to recognize its brilliance. So keep searching, keep believing, and keep collecting. Because treasures like the 1995 Australian $2 coin don't just exist in museums. They might already be in your possession, waiting for the spotlight. Next coins, the Australia $2 2017 Elizabeth II coin has quickly risen as a standout among modern decimal issues, capturing the attention of collectors worldwide. Though relatively recent, its potential lies not in age, but in rarity variations, condition, and the undeniable charm of special designs released during this year. The 2017 mintage introduced a range of circulating and colored $2 coins, many tied to commemorations such as remembrance themes and national tributes. While not all were limited, some specific issues from 2017 now command serious bids due to their lower availability in pristine condition. This coin carries a dignified portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, a continuation of her legacy on Australian currency. On the reverse, the traditional Aboriginal elder portrait reminds collectors of the country's cultural heritage. Special 2017 editions included additional designs, making this year especially desirable for passionate numismatists. The value of this coin today may begin modestly, but certain 2017 issues, especially color releases or low-mintage varieties, have already reached over $100 in private sales and auctions when found in perfect mint state quality. Those discovered with striking errors, misaligned dies, or uncommon features have fetched even more. Collectors believe that the true potential of this coin is still ahead. As years pass and circulation coins fade or disappear into private collections, the rarity naturally increases. A future where a flawless 2017 $2 coin could command several $100s is entirely possible, especially when professionally graded. Even in the present market, exceptional specimens sealed and certified are listed at remarkable asking prices. The passionate demand among Australian coin hunters ensures that any well-preserved piece will continue to rise in desirability. It is crucial never to underestimate a 2017 $2 coin simply because it is young. Many modern coins have shocked collectors by skyrocketing in value after only a decade. One scarcity becomes clear. Demand often favors newer treasures with emotional or cultural significance. If you hold this coin in uncirculated or near uncirculated condition, you possess more than currency. You hold a future collectible. As auction records grow, so does speculation that this coin could become one of the standout modern issues. The history of this coin is tied to national pride, remembrance, and royal representation. With Queen Elizabeth II's passing, coins bearing her portrait have surged in emotional and numismatic importance, only strengthening their long-term investment appeal. The 2017 releases also mark a period of creative innovation by the Royal Australian Mint, introducing vibrant designs into circulation that captivated the public. This creative era alone secures a permanent chapter for 2017 coins in future coin catalogs. Current values may range widely, from everyday face value to over $200 for rare variations and error-struck examples. But with increasing scarcity, these figures are likely to rise, especially among determined collectors chasing full yearly sets. Never clean or polish your coin, as natural patina and untouched surfaces dramatically increase its desirability. A graded high MS level coin could one day surpass four-figure potential if rarity conditions align. Enthusiasts are already reporting competitive bidding wars for untouched rolls discovered from bank holdings. The belief is spreading. This coin could be the next big sleeper of Australian numismatics. Always secure your coin in a protective capsule and, if possible, have it authenticated. As with all legendary collectibles, condition is the kingmaker of value. Even one single 2017 $2 coin could become a highlight of any modern collection, standing shoulder to shoulder with far older rarities. Its modern origin only adds intrigue to its powerful rise. What begins as small change today may transform into a sought-after artifact tomorrow. This is how new legends are born, through foresight, patience, and preservation. For collectors driven by vision, the 2017 Australian $2 coin is not just worth keeping. It is worth guarding, showcasing, and one day, proudly selling at the highest possible price.